What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to be showing you a few different websites. These are actually apps as well, that if you want to get into investing but you are a complete newbie and you don't know anything, then you can use these because they are completely beginner friendly, and like I said, you don't have to know anything about investing. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with multiple different ways for you to start making money online. So don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to actually making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description and I'll send that straight to you. So the first website I'm going to be showing you is wealthify.com. Now, as always, I will leave a link for this down in the description below so it's easier for you to go and check out. So with these investing apps and websites that I will be showing you, unfortunately this is only for the UK. So if you're not in the UK, I'm sorry, but you can't use these sites. So Wealthify is a micro investing website, and you can invest as little as £1, I believe. Well, we're going to go over the website and have a little look. So join the new wave of investors. Expect more from your money. Let Wealthify invest for you. So if we scroll down a little bit, effortless investing. So you choose, and just scroll down a little bit more. Tell us what type of investor you want to be, cautious, adventurous, or somewhere in between. 2, they invest, so they build you a personal investment plan with just the right mix of investments. And 3, they optimize, so they monitor your plan 365 days a year and adjust it to keep everything on track. So investing reimagined. So no minimum, low fees, withdraw any time, access 24/7. So invest as little or as much as you like, whether you're starting with £1 or 1 million. Is that 1 million? That's 1 million. Who has 1 million? And if you did, you wouldn't be investing in a website like this, would you? Bit weird. Wealthify is for you, and you can add to your investment each month too if you like. So let's go to low fees. Investing is now affordable. So not many people actually know about micro investing. I know it's bigger in the USA at the minute, and it's slowly gaining momentum in the UK, but most people in the UK don't even know about it. Most people don't even know about investing, unfortunately. But anyway, Wealthify management fees start from 0.7% a year, going down to 0.4%. What larger investments, additional fund provider charges are typically 0.21% a year. There's also a small transaction cost when you buy or sell the investments in your plan, which on average works out around 0.12%. Now, with these fees, always make sure if you sign up and you want to use it that you understand the fees, because the fees on all of these different websites are completely different, but you do need to know about them. Anyway, withdraw anytime, I mean. So your money is not locked in, which is good. So add to your plan or withdraw your money whenever you like without notice or a penalty. So that's pretty good. This is why I like Wealthify as well. Wealthify in the UK is one of the biggest at the minute, I believe. I did actually use them for a little bit, I think about a year and a half ago, but then I got into crypto and I really didn't want to use this anymore. But out of all of these, I recommend Wealthify because I've used it myself and it is pretty cool. So the next one is Moneybox. So Moneybox is a little bit different. So invest for your future. Start with your spare change. So with Moneybox, say your morning coffee costs £2.40, they're going to round that off to the nearest pound, so to £3, and then they'll take that 60p and invest that for you. So this is a little bit different from the other one I just showed you. So from your morning coffee to last night's Uber, round up your everyday purchases to the nearest pound and invest the spare change. We only offer longer term investment products, and as with all investing, your capital is at risk. So let's scroll down a little bit. You can sign up in minutes, so open an investment account in minutes and get started with as little as £1. Investing made easy, so choose from these simple starting options. Cautious, balanced and adventurous will take care of the rest. So invest like the best. Your money is invested across thousands of global companies such as Netflix and Disney via simple tracker funds. Now, I like this concept because you're going to be investing money that you don't really know you have, because you might go to the shop, spend £2.60 like that coffee, and they're going to take that little bit extra to round it off and invest that. So you're not going out of pocket. It's not like you're investing £20 or anything like that. It's just little tiny bits over time, and these little tiny bits over time soon add up and can make some decent money. So if you're interested in Moneybox, I am going to leave again a link for this in the description below. Now the next one is Nutmeg. Now Nutmeg is a little bit different to the other two. I don't think this is a micro investing website, but this is more of a general investing website. So if we scroll down here, if you put 500, if you invest 500, your Nutmeg fee will be 7 pence per week, which isn't much at all. They do have some fees associated with withdrawals. And if we go to here, there's two types of portfolios. So you can have a fully managed portfolio or a fixed allocation portfolio. And as you can as you can see from here, you can see your fees associated with this one. So this is just another website if you're interested in investing, just to come through and have a little check. So then the next one is going to be Money Farm. Now Money Farm is very similar to Wealthify. Very, very similar. I also used this one about a year ago, again before I got into crypto. Had no problems with them. Their support was very supportive. It's just a really good website. So if we just go to the home page and scroll down a little bit, you can come through, watch the video, scroll down. So they've got the general investment, stocks and shares, ISA and pension. Then if we scroll down, we can see their reviews and what their customers think. And there's hardly any bad reviews about Money Farm. So Money Farm is one of the best out there as well, along with Wealthify. They have no transparent costs and no hidden fees. So looking for expert portfolio management without the high costs normally associated with investing, well, you're in the right place. So competitive costs, so you can focus on returns. If you invest £500 straight away, that's a 45p per month that you'll get charged, which is hardly anything at all. So if you're interested, come through and check out Money Farm as well. But please remember to do your own due diligence into any of these if you choose to actually use them, and so you can actually understand the fees associated with all of these. Now, like I said, these are all great apps that you can use because they're beginner friendly and you don't really have to know much about investing at all. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.